What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Luis Hernandez and this is Extreme Salvage, and today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on a 2014 and up Nissan Sentra. So stay tuned, let's do this. Alright guys, so these are the tools you need. You need a hydraulic jack, you need 2 stands, you need 5 quarts of oil, and it's got to be the variable transmission fluid. Just get it at your dealer, or your Nissan dealership. You need some towels, you need a hammer, you need 2 screwdrivers. If you don't have one of these, I forgot what they're called, impact drivers, use one of these brackets. They work just as fine. This is good. You need a 19-inch wrench and 2 funnels. This piece comes with this piece, so you're gonna have to buy both of them because you need a big ass funnel like that. You need one of those. It's gotta be big to reach all the way on this little piece right here. You see that right there? That's where the oil's gonna go. So that's where you put the jack. You see that? Underneath the car, you have a place where you put the emergency jack. And when you got a flat tire, right here, it's marked by these little things. See those little indentations? That's what it tells you where to put the jack. You're gonna put the jack stand right there, and the floor jack is gonna be right behind it. So all in all, it's about 2 foot from the wheel, from right here to right here. It's about a 2 foot gap. Once you set them in right there, you're gonna lower the car slowly. Right there. Once you got the car on jack stands, what you're gonna do is you're gonna shake the car, grab it, and you're gonna shake on it. Make sure that it doesn't fall, because if it falls, you don't want to fall in on top of you.
Bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight, and we'll fly.
One thing I forgot to mention, guys, is you're gonna need one of these bottles, okay? So whenever you do your oil change on your engine, don't throw this away, because you want to pour the oil that you took out from the transmission onto this one and see how much oil you took out. Like on this one, I took out 1, 2, 3, 4, and about a half a quart. So 4 1/4 quarts of oil we gotta put back on the transmission, the same exact amount. Okay, now to remove the dipstick on the transmission so we can add the oil, you're gonna have to undo this clamp right here with some some of these pliers. Take off this 10mm bolt and pull the hose and pull straight up, just like that. After that, you want to remove the dipstick. This is the dipstick for all the Nissan Sentras, all the newer cars. That's the dipstick. Okay. Now this dipstick has a little metal thingy over here inside. You see that? So you're gonna get one of these screwdrivers and you're gonna push the tab. You're gonna push the tab and at the same time you're gonna pull it up. Okay, I'll show you how. This one sits right. Let's see what's it at? Right there. See that? Right here. There you go. That one sits right there. Just like that. Okay. Now with the screwdriver, come on camera. With the screwdriver, I'm gonna poke the metal tab right there. Come on, focus. I'm gonna push and at the same time pull, and that's how you get the dipstick out. And I have made two funnels, or one funnel out of two. This one is called the Mac Daddy Funnel 3000. It's gonna be available near you, and we are now ready for the oil. All right, we're ready for our oil. See if I can do this one-handed. Let's see if our final 3000 will do the work. A little trick. Oh, look at that. Clean blue oil. So far so good. I don't see any leaks anywhere from the funnel. That's amazing. That oil doesn't look anything like that. Alright guys, so that's gonna be for today's episode. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. If you know of somebody that needs to see this video, please go ahead and share with them. Let's spread the knowledge. And that is it. If I haven't said it before, say it again. Subscribe to the channel. I try to make videos at least every 2 weeks. And that's it. I'll see you guys very, very soon on the next one.